Ford 6000 CD radio, complete Bluetooth or AUX installation guide. Hi everyone, today we're upgrading the Ford 6000 CD radio with Bluetooth or AUX input. This works for Focus, Fiesta, Mondeo, and other Ford models in Europe and the UK. Important first step. Before we start, make absolutely sure you have your radio code. You'll need this when you disconnect the radio. Visit radiocodeford.com, links in the description. They provide codes instantly. Just enter your radio's serial number, which is on a sticker on the side of the radio, and you'll get your code. Next, getting your module. You can find the necessary module on eBay or Amazon. Search for these exact terms: 6000 CD AUX cable Ford, Ford 6000 CD Bluetooth adapter, Ford all-input adapter, Ford 6000 CD interface, Ford Focus Oz adapter. Prices typically range from £10 to £30. Most sellers ship from the UK. When searching, make sure the listing specifically mentions Ford 6000 CD and lists compatible car models, including your car's year and model. Look at several listings to ensure you are getting the correct module. Now, let's gather our tools. For this installation, you'll need radio removal keys, links in the description, Phillips screwdriver, Bluetooth or AUX adapter, wire strippers. You may not need these, but it's good to have them on hand. Cable ties for a clean install. Step 1. Radio removal. First, if you haven't already, get your radio code from radiocodeford.com. Make sure the radio is off. Insert the removal keys into all 4 slots on the radio. Push the keys in until they click. Gently pull the radio forward. Carefully disconnect all the cables from the back of the radio. It's a good idea to take a photo of the cable positions before disconnecting them, just in case. Step 2. Bluetooth module installation. Locate the CD changer port on the back of the radio. Connect the Bluetooth module to this port. Now, find a good spot for the microphone, usually near the steering wheel. Route all the wires behind the trim panels for a neat and tidy installation. Keep the wires away from any metal parts to avoid interference. Before you finally mount the module, test the connection to make sure everything is working. Step 3. AUX module installation. If you're installing an AUX input, connect the AUX adapter to the CD changer port. Decide where you want the AUX cable to come out, perhaps in the glove box or center console. Carefully route the cable behind the panels, making sure it isn't pinched or damaged. Step 4. Testing phase. Reconnect the radio power. Turn on the ignition. Check that the radio powers up correctly. Test the Bluetooth pairing or AUX input. Check the sound quality. Make sure all the radio buttons still work as expected. Finally, check that no warning lights have appeared on your dashboard. Step 5. Final installation. Secure all loose wires with cable ties. Double-check all connections one last time. Carefully push the radio back into its slot until it clicks securely into place. Test everything one final time. Troubleshooting tips. No power? Double-check all connections. No sound? Check the input settings on your radio. Radio shows error? Remove the radio and carefully check all the cables. Poor sound quality? Check for any interference with the wiring. And there you have it. Modern audio in your Ford. Don't forget to subscribe for more car upgrade guides.